In traffic streams, overtakes are made more complex by the other vehicles ahead. Your aim should be to use the power of your bike only to rapidly commence the overtake, but not to go fast. By timing your overtakes carefully, you can avoid being sandwiched with a car on your left and right at the same time. Keep your speed near to the speed of the traffic you are passing, and you can slot back in simply by closing the throttle and pick off the cars one at a time. To be safe, an overtake must allow for what might come the other way at very high speeds. For this reason, we can use only 1/3 of the visible road ahead for each overtake at 60 mph and a smaller proportion at lower speeds. Learning to ride to this may prove difficult because it involves judgment of your own bike's acceleration, speed differences and the distance of the overtake. Try to pick a roadside object where you expect to be back on the near side, and after the overtake, see whether you were right. Check that there are no side roads on the right where you will be overtaking, as emerging drivers tend to come out before looking your way. Overtakes should be done on the straight, and ideally you reach the straight in position and ready to go. Overtakes are planned by working out where the next straight is and then closing slowly on the car to be overtaken, so as to drive close to him just before the next straight. Position for maximum view at that moment, and don't get alongside until you're sure of a safe overtake. Integrating overtakes with bends is a skilled business. Post-right bend overtakes use a bend line based on police system, which brings you out still on the offside. Recovery to the near side has to be gradual to cope with adverse camber. Overtakes towards left bends use the same system concepts to drop back into the near side verge at the end of the bend. The high-performance motorcycle of today is a beast of speed, strength and beauty, and it has the power to kill. Overtaking and cornering can be exciting, fraught with peril for the unskilled, but safe in the right hands.